Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use an Affirm card at Walmart step by step in a simple way. First, open the Affirm app on your phone. Once you are inside the app, look for the option called Cards and tap on it. Here you will see the option to create a new card. Tap on Create a one-time use card. Now enter the total purchase amount that you plan to spend at Walmart. Make sure the amount is accurate because this card will be limited to that value. After entering the amount, select your payment plan. This means choosing how long you want to take to pay back the amount, such as monthly installments. Once you select the plan, your virtual card will be created. This card works like a normal debit or credit card, but it is temporary. Next, open the Walmart app. Go to your account and find the Payment Method section. Add a new payment method and enter the details of the Affirm card you just created. Keep in mind that this virtual card is only valid for 24 hours. If it expires, you will need to create a new one again using the same steps. To pay in a physical Walmart store, open the Walmart app and go to Walmart Pay. At the checkout counter, scan the QR code shown by the cashier. After scanning, choose the Affirm card as your payment method to complete the purchase. This is how you can use an Affirm card at Walmart both online and in store. Thanks for watching.